September is National Preparedness Month, a crucial time to take simple steps that can make a big difference in your family's safety at home. Here in Delaware, we're inviting residents, especially those with access and functional needs, to use our Preparedness Buddy brochure. It's a step-by-step template you fill out to create a personalized emergency plan and share it with a trusted friend, neighbor, or family member who serves as your buddy. Keep one copy in your emergency kit and let your buddy keep another. To build your readiness at home, start by knowing your risks, making a plan, and building an emergency kit. Download your Preparedness Buddy brochure at the link in the video description and remember to be prepared and stay safe. Just a little planning now means a safer tomorrow.
The Kent County Environmental Health Field Services Office within the Division of Public Health is looking for a plumbing inspector to help ensure plumbing systems across the county are safe, compliant, and reliable. This is your chance to play a vital role in protecting the health and safety of Delaware residents. Apply online by 11:59 p.m., September 10, 2025, at the link in the video description.